On behalf of myFutureNC, congratulations to Wayne Community College and the Wayne County Reentry Council on being named a 2025 Champion for Attainment. Wayne Community College and the Wayne County Reentry Council supports formerly incarcerated individuals by providing education, employment services, and essential resources for a successful transition. Established in 2022, the initiative reduces recidivism through job readiness workshops, training programs, and partnerships with local employers. Wayne Community College leads the effort, promoting workforce development and social stability while addressing societal stigma.
October of 2020, the sheriff of Wayne County started the Wayne County Detention Center Substance Misuse Program. One of the areas that we saw a gap was upon release, where people needed some reentry services. And Wayne Community College stepped up to the plate and said, we'll be glad to start a Wayne County Reentry Council.
I get so emotional because I spent so much time away. And when I came here and I found out about this reentry program, it really has been a 360 for me. You're looking at somebody that's 41 years old. And do you know this is the longest that I've ever been out of incarceration? Since I was 11 years old. I've never been out of prison this long.
Reentry is not easy. We have developed some really great collaborations here in our community. And one area that we knew we had to be deep diving in were those coming out of incarceration. And I think case management and the communication and network between multiple organizations is absolutely vital.
To be able to be a part of someone's process as they're looking for that second chance has truly been life-changing. People come in, I meet them all the time. They have different needs, they have different desires. We create different plans of actions, and we celebrate every step. A lot of the individuals that I work with are not looking for handouts. They are truly looking for hand-ups. So when I wear this button, I wear it proudly.
I'm a North Carolina certified peer support specialist, and that's just like the best thing that I could have did. I felt like when I got my peer support specialist, I felt like I got a doctorate because I really get to be me, and I get to meet people that came from, the same walks of life that I did, and I get to show them like, hey, we can turn this around. Nothing that you can't do when you just put your right foot forward, the right one, not the wrong one, but the right one forward.
Our goal in the community college is to help individuals make a better life for themselves. We want to meet individuals where they are and take them where they want to be.
Wayne Community College is here to serve our community. We want to meet the educational, training, and cultural needs of everybody in our communities. Reentry Council fits very well into that mission. They are part of our community, and we want to serve them just like we would any citizen in our community.